Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MSSL Guide. Today I'm going to tell you about the basic MSSL and I'll cover a few topics regarding that. So to start Excel, you have to go to search, then type Excel and hit enter. Now Excel has been started. So in front of you, you can see like home, new, open, and all these options are also available. So if you click here, you can find more templates. So these are the available options over here. Now let's go back to the home button and click on blank worksheet. Now what is that and what about blank worksheet while it is getting opened? So the first part was your backstage and this is your front stage. So the topics I'm going to cover today, like how to start a SL, that I have already done. Now the file option, then save and publish option in MS Excel, and then few basic functions such as sum, average, mean, max. So first thing is where you can see so many tabs, right? File tab, home tab, insert tab, set tabs, and this area from starting from here to here, it is called your ribbon. That is a ribbon. All right. Now inside the ribbon, you can find this small arrow sign, right? This for your advanced option to open for each and every ribbon. Like it is a home ribbon, and this another one is alignment ribbon. One other one is your number ribbon. So like that. So to do that, if you click here, you'll find the advanced option over here. Same way, you can click here to get the advanced options of this font part. Then number, click here. You'll get the alignment, font, all the advanced options are going to open over here once you click there. So also this button is called quick launcher button. So this is a quick launcher. All right, remember that. So let's start with the file option. So if I click on file, you'll find so many options like save, info, save as, all this stuff, print, share, everything you'll find over here. So now you can see here something is called recent. So what are the files I have just opened, it will be showing here. It's like recent. Okay. Now what about pinned? Now pinned are those files which are very important for me and which I'm working with very frequently. So now nothing is there as a pinned. So let's make a pin one document. So let's say this one. If I click on this pin button, so now it is getting pinned. Now once it is done, if you go to pinned, you can see this file is pinned. Now whenever I open this Excel file, if I double click over here, automatically it will open the just recent open file because I have make it a pinned, and you can see it's a like favorite option for our Excel. So like that is working. Now if you click on new, you'll find so many options like business, personal, planners and trackers, list, all this stuff. So say click on business, double click on it. So you'll be finding all the business related templates over here, which is ready made. You don't need to type anything. Yes, some bit of work you have to do, like you have to change the template, and if you have to type something as invoice. Say suppose I'm opening this one monthly company budget. If you click that and create this one, so see this budget is already been given to you as ready as a template. So once you have done this, and if you have to change, you just click on this part and then edit accordingly. And once that is done, if you go to file, then you can print it also. If you can print, click on print, you'll find all the after editing all this stuff, you can print it directly from here. So these are the options available. Now if I go here once again and click here, if you go to personal and double click on it, so you find so many steps over here all as well, like personal monthly budget. If you double click on this one, it will open like this, and you can see so many options are available here also. Actual monthly income, difference, what are your investment, what are your entertainment part you have invested, what is your transportation, loan, everything is ready made. So no need not to type so much, so that it will help you to save your time. So that's how it is working. Now let's start with the save and publish option in MS Excel. So for that, go to file, then open option, and for that, if you are working with any workbook, you can find it from here. And if you have opened any sort of folder, whatever folder you have accessed recently, that folder options you'll be getting from here. So that's how it is working. Now go to this one, info. If you go to info, it can protect your workbook or file with password protection is available over here. You can do that from here. So if you go to save option, you'll find where to save the document and how to save it. All this stuff you'll get in detail. And then what I want to save, like PC, this PC, or if you use browse option, then which folder I can browse, I can use with save as option from here. Then I can share also. Now there is one more thing, it's OneDrive. So people are using OneDrive, they can also sign in and share directly to OneDrive. It's like Google Drive. You can come to save as Adobe PDF reader. If you have PDF reader, you can convert the document as PDF. You can see from here. Then go to print. Now if you go to print, you'll find print options available here from which page to which page you want to print. Then printer types you have to select, settings, these are all type of settings are available, so you can do that. Then go to share. You can share directly with people. If it is in local drive, you can share it from here, and if you go through email, you can email directly from this attachment. Now in case of email, you have to have the software called Outlook. So MS Outlook, those who have, if you click here directly, the document will be attached to the Outlook and then it will email. Then you'll find here send as PDF. Also you can send document as PDF and send as XPS. Now people are not using this PDF, so but they want the file as PDF. You can use XPS. So XPS is also like PDF. PDF is for third-party tool and XPS is given by Microsoft, so you can use that also. Send as internet fax, you can fax it also. And then create PDF and share link. You can create a PDF from here and share the link also from here. Now come to export. Now if you come here, say if you want to create a document as PDF, you can create here and save it locally. Then come here, you can save it as XPS format instead of PDF, that also you can do, and then change file type. This is the kind of conversion of file. Say any sort of file you want to save it, you can use this one. This is the newer version of workbook, which is XLX, and previously it was using as XLS. So if you want to convert it in older version, that you can do. Then text format also. Text format, the benefit is, say suppose you have 2 GB of file. Now if you are using this text format after conversion, it may be coming down to 10 MB. So then CSV format, it is also like using some other softwares. It is using that, like importing your database, importing your contacts. So we are using CSV in case of that. Then another format also there, formatted text, then save as another type, file type, and then save as. So all these options are available. After that, close option is there, where you will close the file like this. And then more options are there where you can do your account settings changes, where you can sync with your Microsoft email ID. Say I want to change the theme of the Microsoft Excel. For that I can do from here. Say gray dark, I can theme use, then black I can use, white, as per my requirement. This is my settings of the account. I can change the settings of private settings, whatever I have. Options are available over here. Apart from that, sign in, it is for you have account with your Hotmail or say live.com, whatever ID you are having with Microsoft email, so you can sign it with that email ID. And if you come to this more than options, you'll be finding so many other options available here, like general options. These are the basic default options are available. Then formulas, what are available over here by default, data, all these other stuffs are available over here. Now I'll cover this one, which is the last part of this video, like few basic functions like sum, average, max, mean, large, small, and count. So for that I have kept one sheet. Go to sheet 3. I have kept some numbers. All right. Now how to do the sum of this? So to do the sum, we can directly use equals and then write sum, and you can see the list of the function related to sum all are open over here as a list. So just press tab, it will open a first bracket. Now what is the argument? Number 1 and number 2 and up to n number, whatever numbers we are having. So I'm selecting the range. This is the range I have to give, and then once it is done, close the bracket, hit enter, you'll get the sum of it in detail, right? Now I can also use the shortcut of it. which is alt and equals. So if you do that, automatically some option will come up over here, and again you have to give the range over here and hit enter. So that's how we can do this one. Now let's calculate average of the same. So how to do that? Equals, write average. You can see the second function is average. Again hit tab, it will open the bracket. Again you have to give the numbers over here and close the bracket, hit enter. So it will give you the average of these numbers. Now what about the max number of this? How to do that? So for max, again equals, write max or maximum, hit tab, it will open the bracket for you, then select the range, close the bracket, it will give the max number, which is here 900, right? For mean also you can do like equals mean, and then tab, it will open the bracket for you, and then select the range of the numbers, and then close the bracket, hit enter, it will give you the mean number, which is 100. Now let's find out the large. For that, do equals, then large, open tab, this is the array. Now what is this k? We can say kth number, like I want to have the second largest or say third largest. So second largest is what over here? Second largest, if you can see, after 900 is 800 the second largest. What about third largest? You can see after 800 is 700 the third largest, right? So like that I can find that also. So for that I'll use this formula, which is large, and this argument is select the range once again and put comma, and why you wanna see the second largest, so I will write over here 2 and close the bracket, hit enter, so you'll get 800. So this is the first largest, second one is 800. So again you can change the formula if you want. So I can here write, instead of 2 write 3. What is the third largest over here? Third largest is here like 700, right? So hit enter, you get 700. Same way I want to see like first largest, so I just put 1, you'll get 900. So like that you can do that. Same way you can do small and open the bracket. Same way you can give the range and then comma, say I want to see second smallest, hit enter, after closing the bracket you'll get 200. So here this is the first smallest and the second smallest. So again I am changing here, make it 3. What is the third smallest? Hit enter, you get 300. So like that you can do that one also. Alright, now I want to use the count function. So if I do that, it equals, then write count, hit tab, it will open the bracket for you, give the range, close the bracket, hit enter, so it will give you count 7, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So like that we can do and work around all the formulas like this. We'll meet with you soon with another video, another interesting topic of Excel. So thank you so much folks for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much.